Hello everybody, welcome to Hikeers. In today's video I will be showing you how to install a plugin, also known as an add-on. But in this video I'll use plugin to make things simpler. Like always, I will have my screencast keys enabled at the bottom left of my screen, though it's not really going to be useful this video. It's there for any other videos. With that being said, let's get into the video. To add a plugin in Blender, it's really simple. All you got to do is go to the top left of your screen and then click on Edit. Now, as you see, there is a little drop down menu. And all you want to do is go to the very last one that says Preferences. Now, as you can see, it's brought up a little menu on your screen. Now, if you're gonna want to install a plugin, you're going to want to go to Get Extensions. Now, for the simplicity of this video, I will get the Loop Tools extension. So, whatever you want to get, just search it up in the search bar. As you can see, there's Loop Tools, which I was looking to install. And just click Install. Now, it should be installing. As you can see, now under the installed section, Loop Tools is there. Now, all you gotta do is exit out of Blender, and there you go. Your extension or plugin is now successfully installed. If you found this video tutorial useful, make sure you like and subscribe. And with that being said, bye-bye.